Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OpenMetadata store using OpenMetadata backup step by step clearly. To backup the OpenMetadata store, begin by accessing the OpenMetadata server. Make sure your OpenMetadata instance is running smoothly before proceeding. Next, identify the database you are using for your OpenMetadata store. Shut down any processes that may interfere with the backup process. For PostgreSQL, you need to use the pg_dump command. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type the following command: pg_dump u username h hostname d database_name backup_file.sql. Replace username with your PostgreSQL username. Replace hostname with the server hosting your database. Replace database_name with the name of your OpenMetadata database. Specify the desired name for your backup in place of backup_file.sql. For MySQL databases, the command is slightly different. Use the miscldump command instead. In your terminal, type miscldump u username p database_name backup_file.sql. Enter the username for your MySQL database. Replace database_name with the name of your OpenMetadata database. Again, choose a suitable name for your backup file where backup_file.sql appears. Verify that the backup file has been created in the specified directory. If you are using a cloud database, consult the specific provider's documentation for backup procedures. Once the backup is complete, ensure that it is securely stored. Consider using cloud storage for an additional layer of security. Regularly schedule backups to maintain data integrity. Review the backup files periodically to confirm their validity. Implement an automated backup system for ongoing protection. Follow these guidelines to ensure your OpenMetadata store is always backed up effectively. This will help safeguard your data against loss or corruption. Keep your backup process documented for future reference. Systematically test your restoration process to ensure data recovery is smooth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.